If you're checking your earnings on your mobile and you've noticed your payout doesn't match your total views, you need to look at this brand new mobile update. Meta has officially rolled out a brand new metric directly inside the mobile professional dashboard called non-qualified views. When you tap into your monetization tab, this feature breaks down the exact percentage of views that did not earn ad revenue. It tells you exactly how many views were disqualified because the viewer swiped away too fast, or because the traffic came from the region outside the monetization eligibility pool. Now this completely removes the question work. Open your mobile dashboard today, audit your non-qualified traffic and adjust your hooks to keep viewers locked in. Let's get to work. Tracking your day-to-day revenue natively from your phone just got a massive upgrade with the launch of Earnings Rate Calculator. Meta is pushing this update to the mobile backend to give you a real-time look at your performance. Think of it as a mobile CPM tracker. By looking at this on your phone, you can instantly see which video topics or lengths are pulling in the highest value ads. So check your monetization tab today, find your highest earning rate and double down on that specific content style this week. Let's get to work. If you monitor your page reach and your video performance using the Facebook app on your phone, you need to prepare for a major analytics cleanup happening on June the 30th. Meta has officially announced that they are permanently removing traditional 3-second video views and unique impressions from the mobile reporting screen. Why are they deleting these core metrics? Because the algorithm is shifting completely away from superficial scrolls. So moving forward, the mobile dashboard is prioritizing deep engaging metrics like retention volume and return viewers. Don't panic when your dashboard layout changes next month. Start ignoring the 3-second metrics right now and focus entirely on your average watch duration to keep the algorithm happy. Let's get to work. The way Facebook counts your views for payouts has officially changed on the mobile feed. Meta has fully deployed the qualified views filtering system to combat low quality watch time. Under this new algorithm rule, the mobile feed actively filters out accidental clicks, loops, and rapid 3-second scrolls from your monetization tally. This means that if a user accidentally taps on your reel while scrolling and immediately closes it, that view is completely stripped from your earning pool. The algorithm only triggers a payout for genuine intentional views, where the audience actually engages with the media. The era of relying on accidental viral clicks is over. You need to make your on-screen hook stronger in the first 2 seconds to ensure every single view becomes a qualified, high-earning view. For the final update of this series, Meta is changing how you select and upload content directly from your phone with the new mobile camera roll curation update. When you open the reel creation sheet inside your Facebook app, you will notice the interface has completely changed. Facebook's built-in AI now automatically categorizes your phone's media gallery by specifically content types, audio elements and clip lengths. The AI does this to suggest optimal clips for fast editing, but it also means the app is analysing your footage before you even upload it. It scans for high-resolution vertical framing to ensure your video matches the platform's distribution standards. To take advantage of this, make sure you clear out the dead space from your raw phone footage before opening the Facebook uploader, so the mobile AI pushes your clip into the high reach recommendation tier. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. My name's lathonmb, and some of my other videos should be popping up around now. So give them a watch, and you know what I always say, I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!